now that we know how to create our own songs and to create the themes for the songs, let's see how we can actually start a presentation with Holyrics. So to start the presentation, all we need to do is to select the song that we want to play or to present, and then come into this button here and you can see slideshow from the beginning or slideshow from the current slide. And you can also see the shortcut for that is Shift F5 and F5. So if I just press this button, for example, you see that right here on the left hand side corner on the top, you see my song All About You from Hillsong being displayed. This feature of showing the presentation in the window that you are using is only available if you click this simulate projection and activate it. And this is basically only for cases in which you don't have a separate display or a projector. In the church, you will have the projector or a separate display. So this is only useful to show you in the same time that I can explain. If you don't have a secondary monitor and you try to make a presentation, you will see that your entire screen will be filled with the presentation. So this is what a secondary monitor or a projector would look like if you have it in your setup. So let's go back to the simulate projection here on the top so I can show at the same time that I explained. So if you play the button again, you will see that the first slide will always be the name of the song and the artist of the song. And you see here in the preview that we don't have that slide. Our first slide already starts with the lyrics, but Holyrics will always create this first slide for you. So to exit a presentation, we simply press ESC or escape, and you will see that we are now back into Holyrics. And we can know that we are in a presentation mode if this footer here appears. So in this footer we have all our slides, and if this footer is showing, you know that you're on presentation mode. You can also see the clock here showing how long it has been that you've been in this presentation. So before we talk about the footer, let me just show you what happens when you start a presentation from the start from current slide option, Shift F5. And to illustrate that, let's select one random slide here. And you see that if I press this button or do the Shift F5 hotkey, you see that it will start from the slide I have right here. So this is the different ways that you can start a presentation in Holyrics. I'm just gonna press ESC. Now there are some things that we can configure that will change how our songs are presented. And to configure that, you can come to File, Display Settings, and in here, first of all, let's talk about these three icons here on the top. The first one is uppercase, and if you select this, you can see it already in this preview of the slide that even if your lyrics are typed with lower cases, you can come here and select to be presented in an uppercase layout. So in that way you can keep all your lyrics lowercase and just choose to present them in an uppercase if you want. The second option is show underlined title, which is the default option. So if we go into the presentation from the beginning, we see here that the title of the song is underlined. If we go here and unselect the show underlined text, you will see that the text is now not underlined. And this third one is automatically break line. To show what this last button does, unfortunately I don't have any song with enough text that will actually illustrate what happens when you click it. If I click right now, you see that it gets a little bigger, but that's not what this actually does. There is a question mark here that it's supposed to illustrate what each of these buttons does, and in here there is an example that makes the case of what this last button here does. So in here you have the version of the slide in which it is enabled, and in here it is disabled. So in the enable version, it will break the lines. For example, this line right here, it was typed everything as just one line. So if this is disabled, it will fit the line to the slide, because you type this as a whole line, and when you disable this, you say into Holyrics that you want the whole line to be displayed as one line. So in order to do that, it had to decrease the font, even though the font of the theme was this big. But to fit this line, it had to decrease the font. When this is enabled, it can't use the entire size of the font because it's able to detect that this line wouldn't fit here, and then it goes to the next line. So this is what this last button does. It's called the automatically break line. Some other things that we can configure in this screen is the transition effect. By default, there's no transition in Holyrics, and when you, let's start a presentation, when you go from one slide to the other, it's just a cut from one slide to the other. But if you like effects, you can come to the display settings and enable the transition. And then you can choose between a fade and all these options here. For example, accordion, which is like this. So you can choose between a few different transitions if you want. We're not going to talk about the top ones yet, in this video at least. But in here you can also select the duration, some configurations for the specific transition that you have, which direction you want. If you want to do that, this is where you go. The slide description we will also not talk about in this video. You can set a default theme to the title and artist slide, which is the first slide of each song. So for example, if I select this theme here, the first one, now no matter what theme I'm selecting here, every time I start my presentation, the first slide will be that default theme for the first slide. As soon as I move away from the title slide, it will go back to the theme that I am presenting. So you can select that in here. You can also select if you want to show the slide count, and it will show up here, and you can change the position of the slide count if you want. Also, you can show the title and artist on all slides if you want, and also change the location of where the title and artist will appear. You can select the height in terms of percentage of the slide that these items here will take. If you want this text to use the theme effects or not. If you want to show the title and artist in 2 lines, like this, or just 1 line. And this last button lets you edit the screen position. If you have a projector, you would click here. In case the screen is not showing in some part of your projector, you would come here, and looking at this dotted red line, you would be able to make it fit where your projector is. Maybe your projector exceeds your screen size, and instead of trying to fit the projector to the size you have, you can come here and simply make the Holyrics project on only the space you want. Going back. So these other tabs, I'm not going to talk about them in this video, but this is how you start a presentation in Holyrics, and all the features, all the tweaks and settings that you can do to make your presentation more effective, look nicer and better. So this is it. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.